Hey guys, welcome back. In the today's video, let us see how exactly we install the Power BI desktop onto our machine. So in order to do that, let us open the browser. Over here, let us type download Power BI desktop. So having done that, we go to the first link that shows as download Power BI desktop from official. Okay, let us go to this option. So the moment you click on that, we get a page that is similar to this. All right. So this is basically the Power BI installation page. So by default, you'll be having this type of view. And over here, you have the definition of Power BI desktop. Here we can select the language of our preference. So I am leaving it to English. All right. And if you scroll down below, you'll find various details like what type of Power BI setup files that exactly is present over here. And you also have the Power BI workflow description. And over here we have installation instructions, and also over here we also have the system requirements. So this is basically quite a prerequisite information. We need to have a Microsoft Windows system which is based off Windows 8 or larger than that. And the second requirement is our Internet Explorer version should be either 10 or greater than 10. All right. And the third requirement is that your hard disk should be at least 500 GB and 8 GB RAM memory. All right. So these are the prerequisites, and make sure that you cannot install the Power BI desktop on Mac operating system. It is available only for Windows. All right. So let us go here. So select language. I'm keeping it to English, and you need to click on download. Now we have two types of setup files. One is Power BI desktop for 32-bit and the other one is for 62-bit screen. So my laptop is actually a 64-bit screen laptop. So I am just clicking on this particular setup file. Having done that, we click on download. Once you download, the setup file starts downloading. This will take few minutes. Just a second. It's happening quite faster, so no need to worry. Yeah, that's it. So this shows that the Power BI setup file has been successfully downloaded. So let us go to the folder. Let us go to the downloads. So we thereby have a Power BI setup file ready. So installation process is quite easy. You just need to double click on this. The moment you do that, we get a installation setup wizard. Over here, you can select the language once again. I am keeping it to English. Having done that, we need to click on next. All right. And you'll get an option. Would you like to apply changes? If yes or no, we need to click on yes. And after that, we will get another visit saying that the Power BI basically computes the system storage requirements and then gives us the next result. Over here, once again, click on next and you will get the license agreement. We just need to agree it. So just tick the license and then click on next once again. And let us leave the setup file installation path to default. No need to change this. All right. Now click on next again. Once we do that, we get the final result saying that you need to install this. So let us click on install over here. Now the Power BI desktop starts getting installed on our local machine. This will take few minutes. Copying new files. Registration has been done. Now successfully the product is being installed. Removing the backup files. Alright. And finally, at the last, we get this type of result containing finish. Now, just click on finish and make sure that after installation that you're restarting your system. It is a quite recommended process. So once you click on finish, the Power BI desktop by default launches in case if you're ticking the default launch option. Okay. So when you launch a Power BI desktop by default, you will get it like this. So you can either open your recently accessed Power BI desktop or else you can just close this pop-up. Alright guys, so install your Power BI desktop onto your local machine. Let us catch up in our next video. Till then, take care and happy analyzing.